English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 64.
English uses the past perfect with the past simple to talk about two or more events that happened at different times in the past.
The train had left before we arrived at the station. I knocked on Pablo's door, but he had already gone to work. The traffic was bad because a car had broken down on the road.
The train had left before we arrived at the station.
When we arrived at the stadium, the game had already started. A tree had fallen on the road, so I couldn't drive to work. I offered Logan some pasta, but he had already eaten lunch. I hadn't seen Emma for years, but I recognized her immediately. We felt absolutely exhausted after we had run the marathon. She couldn't catch the train because she had left her ticket at home.
We had spent 14 days in Vietnam, and we were sorry to leave. Although we had met only a few times, I knew we would get along. She arrived late at work because she had missed the bus. The sun had risen, and it was time to start work in the fields. Joe was delighted because his parents had bought the perfect birthday present. Henry had cooked dinner when Sally got back from work.
Hi, Tony. Did you have fun last night?
I did, thanks, Erin. I met a nice woman called Jackie. I'd noticed her right at the start of the party, but was too shy to go and talk to her.
So, what happened in the end?
She came and spoke to me. She said she'd noticed me too, and she wanted to meet me.
Lucky you.
Yes, we talked all night. It was amazing. Anyway, how was your night?
Clearly not so much fun as yours. I got in trouble with Martin. He told me he couldn't come to the party, so I invited Jeff.
Why was that a problem?
They're both my friends, but they fell out long ago, so they don't get along. Anyway, Martin turned up just after I'd asked Jeff to dance. It was quite an awkward moment.
Oh no.
He had viewed the house before he took his wife to see it. She had read a review of the book before she bought it. After he had finished watching the movie, he went to bed. I asked Katie for a ride to work because I had missed my train. He had studied very hard before he took his exams. Andy only resigned once he had found a new job. They had discussed all the options before they made a decision.
End of lesson 64.